Good morning, and assalamu alaikum to all of my students. We are all here in front of each other, and it's a lovely day, and a new day, a present from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So we're going to start a day with the gratitude by saying Alhamdulillah, and so our day will be even more beautiful. So I wish and hope that you all are in very good health, you're enjoying your day, and you are very happy and energetic. Okay, that is great. All of you. So wave your hands, show me that you're all energetic. You are super great, feeling good, fantastic. Okay, and ready for the new day today. Okay, that's great. So this is our numeracy class, and as you know that we're learning about different colors these days. So today we are going to do another magic, and we are going to mix up two different colors to make something very new, something different, something amazing, which you maybe know, some of them already know, but some of you don't know about that. So we are going to do the experiment today, and we are going to make new colors. So today we are going to mix the red color. Okay. Last time also we used the red color. And along with the red color, we are going to use this yellow color. Okay. So these are the two colors which we're going to mix, and we are going to make another color. So here is my bowl, as usual, a clear bowl, so you can see what we are mixing and what we're doing. So first of all, we're going to take a little of, oh God, it's too hard to open. Oh. So I'm going to take out red color, right? Red, I took out red color, and I'm going to put the cap back and close it, right? And put it aside. Now it's the time. Oh God, they're too hard to open. Okay, so yellow. Are we needing yellow color? Okay, so the yellow one, I need yellow. And now we're going to close it, right? It's good to put the things aside so they don't spill around. Okay, so I am mixing a little of red and a little of yellow. And I think we did that before as well in our arts class, I think. Yeah, I think that we did this before. Okay, so I have mixed the yellow color along with the red color. And now I have made a totally different color. Okay, now my color is ready. My color is ready. And now I am going to draw something this color to show you which color have I made. Okay. I have made a totally new color, and I'm going to draw something, and you're going to guess the color of this. Okay. So this color is done. Maybe I'll be needing one more color, but that's okay. First of all, you just have to look at this. What am I drawing, and which color have I made by mixing the red and the yellow color? Let's see if you can guess. Okay, can you guess? That's an orange color. Yay, that's an orange color. And what am I making? Hey, what am I making? What am I making? Yeah, what does this look like? This looks like what? This looks like, yes, this looks like a carrot. Yeah, very good. This looks like a carrot. I need a carrot. See, I used the red color and the yellow color, and I made a totally different color. And no, I don't think. Then I will take a little of green color just to show you the proper carrot. Okay, so I'll just have a look at this. Yay! Okay, so this is the carrot which I have made, and the color orange I made by mixing the red and the yellow color, right? So here is the color, a magic color which we have made, right? And then now I'm going to make another thing. Yes, that's my favorite fruit of winters. Now you're going to tell me what is this? Yay, what is this? What is it? Make it a little more round. Yeah, this doesn't look like an orange. Yeah, this doesn't look like an orange. No, 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 no. Yeah, now maybe a little D-shaped orange. Why is it like this? Maybe I made a big one. Okay, I'll try to make another one, a smaller one. A cute, cute, cute orange. Because I love oranges. Yeah, this is better. This is much better. And you know what? Like, even oranges have a little stem and a leaf. Yay. Wow, yes, this looks like an orange. But orange is not that straight. It should be like this. Yeah, oranges are round. Okay, I love oranges. So see, we made a carrot and orange. Okay, forget about this. This doesn't look like an orange. It's a huge orange, overgrown orange. So no problem. We're going to forget about that, right? So we made a color by mixing the red color and the yellow color. And what did we make? We make orange color. Yeah, we made orange. So this is the color which we have made by mixing the red and yellow color. So that's so amazing. If we don't have these colors, we can easily make by mixing the two colors together to get a new color, right? Okay, so this was the magic color. And now you are going to take out your Maths Wise book 2. Yes, take out your Maths Wise book 2. Okay, all of you. Yes, quickly, I'll put that aside. Whenever you're doing anything, put things aside. Do not spill on your papers or on your books or maybe on your clothes, right? That's why I quickly put the cap on the paint, so you'll be safe. Okay, everybody, how you have taken out your books? Okay, yeah, Maths Wise book 2, yeah, this one. Okay, now you are going to take out page number 30. Yes, all of you take out page number 30. Very good. Page number 30. Okay, now what you can see here, it's magic orange mixing yellow and red makes orange. Yay! Mixing red and yellow makes orange. That's great. So as we did in the activity that we made orange by mixing yellow and red. Yes, mixing yellow. And here, if you're going to mix yellow with blue, what did that make? Remember? That made green. Remember? Yes. And now we have mixed yellow with red. So that made orange. Orange. Right? Okay. So now this page says that count how many oranges there are, and you're going to write the number in the box, right? So we are going to count how many oranges are there. Okay, now all together we're going to count. Come on, everybody ready? You're not going to use any pencil right now because you're not writing. You're just counting. Okay, I'm just holding the pencil to just point out, right? Okay, now starting from here. Now everybody start counting with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Yes. How many oranges are there? There are 7 oranges. Very, very good. Right. So there are 7 oranges. Oh, sorry. There are 7 oranges. Now you know how to write 7, right? Like this and this. Easy. 7. Now you are going to write 7 over here, right? Yes. Now come on. Everybody write 7 over here. Very good. Write 7. Okay. 7, 7, 7. Okay, that is great. Done? Okay. Now, the next thing is that this is color as many carrots as there are oranges. Now, what does that mean? It means that you're going to color only the carrot as the number equal to the oranges. Understand? Now, how many oranges did we count? How many oranges did we count? 7. Okay. And now you're going to tell me that how many carrots you're going to color. How many carrots are you going to color? Come on, all of you. 7. Yes. You're going to color 7 carrots. Like start counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Wow. You're going to leave only 1, 2, 3. You will leave the 3 carrots and rest of them you are going to color. Which color are you going to use? Which color did we make? You're going to use orange color. Yes, you are going to use orange color. And how many carrots you're going to color? 7 carrots. 7 carrots are going to color, and the color will be orange, right? Now everybody quickly color the carrot orange. And you see the leaves? Now look at this carrot. You see the carrot is orange and the leaves are green. So in the same way, you're going to color the carrot. It's not yet tried, right? So the carrot and the leaves are green. You're not going to color the whole carrot orange, right? The leaves will be green and the carrot will be of orange color, right? Okay, that's great. So quickly finish that and then show to me. Yes, quickly complete your task and then you are going to show that. Color it a little dark so that look beautiful. Don't go out of the line. Stay inside the line. Very good. Good. It's better use marker or your color pencil because the crayon is a little thicker so that can go off the line, out of the line, right? Good, good. Come on. Complete your task. Do it nicely. Do it neatly. Yes, very good. Now, everybody, show it to me. Yay, that looks good. Okay, only 3 carrots are left uncolored. All of you? That's great. You don't have to color all the carrots. How many carrots you have to color? Yes, you have to color 7 carrots only because there are only 7 oranges, right? Okay, that's great. That is lovely. So I think all of you have completed that. That is great. Okay, that's good. So fantastic. So you have completed your task. Okay, now, okay, put your pencils down. So remember, at the end of every video, I ask you to subscribe the channel. I ask you to give the video thumbs up and share it with your friends so they can also see the videos and they can like the videos. So I hope you're all doing that. So this was our numeracy class today, and I'm going to say goodbye to you from this class now, and I'll see you in the next class. Until then, what you have to do, you have to stay safe, you have to be happy, and you have to be grateful for everything you have. Are you doing that? Okay, that's great. So I'll say goodbye. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.